Unfortunately, there is no memory card slot on a Nothing Phone 3A. Therefore, if you want to use a memory card, you have to use a memory card reader. For example, this is one of them. Of course, this one is quite big. You don't really have to get such a big memory card reader. But essentially, this is what you need. You need a tool that allows you to insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then you should also have the USB-C cable with that reader, so you can connect the cable or the reader with the cable to the phone and use it as the USB storage. Of course, in this case, it is quite inconvenient to use, simply because it is quite big and you probably don't want to carry it all over the places, everywhere. This is just an alternative that you can use from time to time. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.